Hello, welcome to PV Sunflower channel. Here is the hottest and latest renewable energy news every week. Let's take a look. The 2012 Olympic Stadium is now home to West Ham United. The solar system will be installed soon. The project is estimated to cost £4 million in the first 2 years, but will pay for itself after 5 years. The building could then start generating electricity by the end of 2024. The project's significant reduction in carbon emissions is in line with the mayor's pledge to make London a zero-carbon city by 2030. The Dutch government announced that it plans to raise the PV module recycling charge from July 1st. Currently, solar panels sold are charged €6.5 per ton, but this fee will soon be raised to €14 per ton, said Jan Willem Jagger, operations manager at Stichting Zon Energy Recycling in the Netherlands. And he indicated that the new rates will apply until at least the end of 2025, and the fund will be used for solar panel recycling. Sonelgaz, a public utility company in Algeria, has issued a bid for the development and construction of 15 solar power plants with a total installed capacity of 2 gigawatts. These projects will be distributed in 11 locations throughout the country, with capacities ranging from 80 megawatts to 220 megawatts. Potential developers must submit their bids before May 29. South Africa's finance minister has announced plans to introduce a new rebate scheme to provide incentives for new rooftop PV installation on private homes. From March 1st, 2023, individual customers planning to install rooftop PV systems can apply for rebates of up to 25% of the cost of PV modules, up to a maximum of Rand 15,000. The rebate program for private rooftop PV system is intended to address South Africa's several power constraints and has a budget of Rand 4 billion, not including inverter, battery storage, or installation costs. However, some industry players have criticized the program for not fully addressing the country's load shedding problem. What do you think? Equitable, a subsidiary of BayWa, is commissioning the fourth largest floating solar power plant in Europe. The facility has a peak capacity of 24.5 megawatts and is located in Grafenwold in Austria. Grafenwold's floating photovoltaic system is built on 2 adjacent artificial lakes, covering a total of 14 hectares. Annual production is estimated at 26.7 gigawatts-hour, equivalent to the electricity needs of 7,500 households in the region. The facility is the largest floating photovoltaic system in Central Europe, with a water level difference of 7 meters between the installation area and the water surface. The company assembled the facility with 2,844 floating units and moves them in areas along a slope into a lake. Including these projects, BayWa said it has completed a total of 15 floating PV projects globally with a total installed capacity of 230 megawatts. A new equitable workforce training program has officially launched in the United States called Building Equity in Solar Training. The program will provide the skills, training, and certification needed to succeed in solar energy storage and electricity vehicle charging. BEST is an outcomes-based workforce training program that emphasizes quality and is committed to an equity-driven model. This program ensures that individuals in disadvantaged groups all communities receive the support they need to enroll. Complete training, maintain a family range and a career, and overcome any obstacles they may face, thereby helping to make the renewable energy workforce more reflective of U.S. demographic. BEST's goal is not just to create jobs, but to create sustainable careers and sustainable families.